Hey everyone, Sean Wilkins with Fairview Lending here. Today we're going to talk about 3 things you will need to get pre-approved. All right, first thing you will need to do is complete your standard mortgage application. These can be completed online, but also in person or by the phone. They're going to give all the general information for your situation to the lender so they can review where you work, where you live, what your purchase price you're looking to get approved for, and also all the other information they need to get you pre-approved. Okay, folks, second thing you will need to do is consent to a credit check. The lender is going to pull a credit report on you to not only check your credit scores, but they want to see the liabilities, how much your car payment is every month, how much you have in credit cards, and also the credit history. Do we have any late mortgage payments? Do we have any bankruptcies? Stuff like that. Keep in mind, you do not need perfect credit to get pre-approved. We'll talk about that in another video, but the second step is to consent to a credit report for the lender to review. Okay, folks, third thing you will need to do is provide your lender with some documents. Now, the type of documents you will need will vary from borrower to borrower. It is usually things provided to prove your debt to income ratio and your assets. So things like bank statements, and depending on your employment type, either tax returns, W-2s, both, award letters for Social Security or pension plans, all that type of stuff that's going to prove to the lender how much money you make. That's the kind of documents we will need to get you pre-approved.